We believe that whenever you wear an Indian attire, it's become like आज traditional day है क्या? मैं तो अमेरिका में भी जाके मैं साड़ी में परफॉर्म करती हूँ और मैं झुमके पहनती हूँ उधर और यहाँ पे आके ना I won't be like oh my god I don't know हिंदी भैया you know मुझे हिंदी नहीं आती है and all that ऐसा चप्पल उतार के मारने का मन करता है ऐसी लड़कियों को.
Sushant, I've been a huge fan ever since you stepped into my studio in 2014. And if I may say so, I think the feeling seems very mutual.
It is, absolutely. First of all, Namaste, slay. And you are completely slaying in this pink sari. And the first time I think I saw you was when I was representing India at Mr. Gay World. And that is when I was still a boy.
Yeah, and you looked so hot. I kept staring at you and I was like, I want this face cut. Ye kya hai? And I was like, are you sure? Because I would love to date you right now.
I mean, when I look at those pictures, I'm like, even I wanted to date
myself.
Yeah. So now I'm a little like, I'm still hunting.
मैं आपको Instagram पे stalk करती हूँ, and before anything else, I am mesmerized by how जब आप अच्छा करते हो और टचवुड आजकल आज बहुत कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है आपके साथ, आप हमेशा अपनी अर्निंग्स से शेयर करके दूसरों को खुश करना चाहते हो. अब यू राइट इन योर स्टोरी एंड इन योर मेन पोस्ट, इस महीने कुछ ज़्यादा ही कमा लिया है, किसको देना. Who does that?
मतलब मेरे हिसाब से मैंने अगर मेरा सब कुछ सॉर्ट आउट हो गया है, मेरा लाइक रहने खाने का सब संभल गया है, तो उससे ज़्यादा होता है तो देन आई गिव. मैं रख के क्या करूँ इतना, मतलब एक महीने में. इवन आई एम नॉट यूज्ड टू सिंगिंग सो मच ना, so I'd rather give it to my friends who are there.
Sushant, you know there is no too much in this ज़माना ना. आप एक आइलैंड खरीद लोगे, आप LA में घर खरीद, मतलब I'm just saying.
But I'm also saying that, you know, I'm glad that I'm like this. So which is why now I think my manager has and me have both opened Yana as a foundation.
Yana?
Yeah.
इसका क्या मतलब है?
Yana is basically the special child of God, God's special child, and Yana is YANA means you are not alone. So this is for all the transgender kids that are not transgender kids only, but people also that don't have any, you know, like so many people जो जीते हैं वो जग रहे हैं बट उनको पता नहीं उनका मकसद क्या है. सो द थिंग इज दैट टू काइंड ऑफ गेट देम बैक ऑन ट्रैक, तो उनको उनकी मदद करने के लिए, एंड स्पेशली मेरे लिए माय ट्रांस कम्युनिटी जिन्हें मैं स्किल बिल्ड करके टेक्नोलॉजी के थ्रू उनको प्रिपेयर कर सकूं इस दुनिया को फेस करने के लिए.
उसके लिए एक टीम चाहिए, उसके लिए कितने सारे लोग चाहिए रहते हैं, आप कैसे कर रहे हो ये?
सो we are on the lookout for volunteers as well, and as well as हमारी टीम है, core team है already, and we are now right now just this is literally the first 10 days that we've launched, and I've already managed to get like money pumped in because I worked and I put my salary there, 2 salaries. But now of course we need corporate backing because
बिल्कुल.
And I think that the corporates are ready. It's just that हमको उन्हें बताने की ज़रूरत है ना कि ये ऐसे करो या फिर वैसे करो, क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, लॉट ऑफ पीपल हमारे नाम पे पैसे लेते हैं, ट्रांसजेंडर यू नो अपलिफ्टमेंट के लिए पैसे लेते तो हैं बट वो कहीं मिलता ही नहीं है हमारी बहनों को. सो आई जस्ट थिंक दैट व्हेन इट इज़ somebody who is trans and their organization, their foundation, we know the struggles what our sisters are going through.
देखिए हमारा जो एक interaction है with the community has been at signals, and you must forgive us for our ignorance. लेकिन हमको ऐसे लगता है हाँ कभी तो scriptures में लिखा था, कभी तो शायद महाभारत में कोई ऐसा देखा था, but I think ये अभी जो आप बात करने जा रहे हैं ये बहुत significant है to bust the myth कि ये कोई एक ऐसा कुछ नहीं है या medical problem नहीं है. Educate us on this कि ये क्यों नॉर्मल है और क्यों हमारे कल्चर का. एंड लव द वे यू सेड इन योर रीसेंट इंटरव्यू, मुगल्स आए, ब्रिटिश आए, सब आए पर हम हैं.
हाँ, बट इट्स ट्रू ना. द थिंग इज दैट व्हाट यू जस्ट सेड इज वेरी राइट, इज बिकॉज द हिजरा कम्युनिटी एंड द किन्नर communities, they are the longest standing and oldest transgender community in the world.
Right.
So it is from time immemorial.
जी.
वो जब श्री राम के ज़माने से हमें आइडेंटिफाई किया गया है, तो you can understand from the scriptures means even before all this, so much before all the Britishers and all came much later and exploited us basically.
Yes.
So if we're going to say it any other way, we're stupid. So the thing is that one more thing is that after they came, उन्होंने आने के बाद उन्होंने हमें इतना gruesome उन्होंने colonize करने के बाद, even then we were listening to what they had to say, and we started listening to the fact that okay, you know, according to them, gay and trans people were not normal.
Correct.
According to them.
Correct.
But with us, we had this in
very
our history.
open, yeah.
Yeah, and we had this, and they couldn't deal with the fact कि हम इतने spiritually और sexually evolved थे. तो ये आजकल के जो ये ढोंगी बाबा बेबी जो भी होती हैं, ये लोग जो ड्रामे करते हैं ना अपना दुकान चलाने के लिए, इन लोगों को मैं बोल दूं कि हम देवी का रूप हैं, तो हमसे भिड़ने का नहीं, basically.
You know what I wanted to take from you in this interview is how to express yourself. I don't know if I told you this once. Radio City पर हम लोग ने Women's Day मनाया with all the kinners. I called them over.
Oh, they're lovely.
And I told them कि बॉस कोई और womanhood को नहीं celebrate कर रहा जैसे आप कर रही हैं, क्योंकि जो आप साड़ी पहनते हो, जब आप तैयार होते हो, तो हम भी नहीं होते हैं. So my mark of dressing up today was not just because I do this very often. In fact, in office, सब लोग बोलते हैं क्या है आज पूजा है, ऐसे क्यों मैं साड़ी नहीं पहन सकती हूँ, मतलब how weird are we?
And that's another thing, na, that you know we believe that whenever you wear an Indian attire, it's become like आज traditional day है क्या?
By the way, you're 100% Chandini today.
है ना?
Full on.
अरे but मैं तो अमेरिका में भी जाके मैं साड़ी में परफॉर्म करती हूँ. थोड़ा स्टाइलाइज साड़ी होगा वो, थोड़ा पल्लू ऐसे थोड़ा ऐसे स्टाइल में पहनूंगी, बट साड़ी है वो.
You will love it.
और मैं झुमके पहनती हूँ उधर, और यहाँ पे आके ना आई वुड बी लाइक ओ माय गॉड आई डोंट नो हिंदी भैया, यू नो मुझे हिंदी नहीं आती है एंड ऑल दैट. ऐसा चप्पल उतार के मारने का मन करता है ऐसी लड़कियों को. मैंने कहा ये क्या हो गया तुम्हें, ये लकवा लग गई. व्हाट हैपेंड? What happened to you?
But you.
Where are you from? हाँ? तुम इंडिया में तो छोड़ो, तुम मुंबई में तुम, और
हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री,
हिंदी छोड़, तू एसएससी स्कूल से है, सीबीएसई और एसएससी बोर्ड से तू पास आउट होके मैंने कर रही है, तेरे को शर्म नहीं आती है? हाँ? And what rubbish is this? So my thing is, and then they'll be like, oh my god, you know, actually I'm not used to wearing sari, I can't wear sari. I'm just like, you should not.
She has to run a school for us Indian women to go back to being Indian. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm just sorry. Like, it's not sorry, you're sorry. It's sorry. It's not a sorry, it's sorry. Sorry, go home. तेरी जरूरत ही नहीं है यहाँ पे. हिंदी फिल्मों में काम करना है, रीजनल फिल्म में काम करना है, और जाके ऐसे बैठ के ऐसे कॉफी मग पकड़ के तुम लोग इतना बिचिंग करते हो एक दूसरे का इंग्लिश में करो, बट ऐसा मत करो कि तुम मतलब यू नो यू आर मेकिंग इट लुक लाइक समवन हु वेयर्स अ साड़ी और somebody who wears a suit is you know this thing.
Yeah.
Oh my god, so LS, so like lower Jew. Oh my god, it's so from Bandra East.
But okay, here's the deal with you. You're what, born and brought up in Bandra West?
Yeah.
And it's like I feel आप हर language बात कर रहे हो मुझसे.
Because मैं नाला सोपारा में भी जाके परफॉर्म करी हूँ, मैं ग्रैंड रोड के बस्तियों में जाके, that's what I'm selling, कोठों में जाके मैं उनके साथ बात करके, रिसर्च करके थीसिस करी हूँ, उनके साथ नाची हूँ, गाई हूँ.
Is it because you're a psychologist also?
Not just because I'm a psychologist, because I'm an artist. An artist will go everywhere. Artist will not.
Give me your hand. Sorry, this moment has to be made a big promo of. I love every square inch of this human being. I think it's because you're a human being. It's not about, अगर हम गीता ज्ञान देते हैं, हम क्या बोलते हैं, हम ये शरीर तो है ही नहीं, हम आत्मा है. तो अगर हम आत्मा है तो me being girl boy, तो बचपन में I want to share with you as to hug everyone. तो मेरी मम्मी बोलती थी इसको बचाओ यार, ये लड़की है, क्यों लोग क्या सोच रहे होंगे. तो बहुत लोग मुझे फीमेल रणवीर सिंह बोलते हैं, because I love झप्पी पप्पी. Means I don't feel कि मैं एक इंसान की बॉडी को जकड़ी हुई हूँ. If I like someone, I'm holding on to that spirit.
Yeah.
I feel you in many ways are like that. And how you managed to just merge with the world, right? Like you become a citizen of the world now.
Yeah, that's true. But also because I think I've performed so many places, I speak their language. I speak not just their language in terms of the dialect, but also just their language in terms of their emotions. You know, and I just feel that, listen, it's very easy to put down someone, but to be with them and to connect with them,
Big deal.
for me is a big deal. For me, I most love. Like, I have performed in the same places where even a Beyonce has done a concert and even a Rihanna has done a concert, but even where a Lata Tai has performed in orchestras when she was young, and even where, for example, tomorrow I would love to say that even my gurus and also my Kinnar sisters who have performed and performed for more people than so many people who are doing films, for example.
जी.
गांव में मेरी बहनों को ज़्यादा जानते हैं लोग,
अच्छा.
you know, as Nata Samrat or Lavani Samrat. There are so many of them are there. They are doing
famous.
metal shows and all. They're packed. Every day they have 7,000 people coming to watch them in different cities and different towns and jillas. So you can imagine, so when I go, I think I feel most happy when I'm on stage. क्योंकि जब भी मैं जाती हूँ, मुझे लगता है कि स्टेज के थ्रू ना
आप एक हो जाओ.
हाँ, मतलब फर्स्ट they'll have, वो लोग देखेंगे ये क्या है, ये औरत है, मर्द है, हिजड़ा है, क्या है. But then when I start singing, वो जो बाधाएं हैं ना, जो हम लोगों ने एक दूसरे के सामने ऐसे रखी हैं, ठाक 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 करके, it just, my voice just goes straight through the heart. So I think that is the power of art. And I think that is the reason why I say that I'm nothing but I'm an artist.
But you've done so much for yourself. I'm a sports person रह चुकी. You were just saying when we met in 2014, you were heavily into sports. क्या आप करते थे?
Yeah, I'm a national level swimmer.
Holy.
So
how can you be so many things in one life?
But that is not something I chose. I'll tell you. I was like just thrown into the water because my full family is into sports. So my mother was a national level basketball player. She was also assistant captain of Karnataka for basketball. My father was an international level water polo player. He represented India in the triangular games between India, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh, I think, or yeah.
Wow.
Or Myanmar, one of them.
But you're a water sign, you're Cancer, and you would love the water.
I love the water, but I have seen too much of it as a kid. So I love this. Like when it rains and stuff, it's just like my sinuses and my throat and all goes for a toss for some days. But then I just love it. I love water. Yeah, and I've been a sports person. I've been an athlete. I was sports captain of my school, and yeah, and then at Mr. Gay World, when I was still living as a boy to please the world, even then I won an international medal for my country at Mr. Gay World, and I won team sports and individual.
Wow.
Some 4-5 subtitles.
That's amazing.
Yeah. I had the highest aggregate.
So would you say you're an outperformer because you like doing, or are you, can't say competitive, but you're just good at what you do?
I am competitive.
You are competitive?
Very. That's why I don't go for all these shows which are like, because I'll die while
reality
performing.
Show.
Yeah, I'll die while
so nervous.
No, I'm very like, nahin, mere ko jeetna hai. But and it's not like, I mean, I won't feel bad that I don't win. But it's just like, I'll feel like I will literally perish there giving more than what I can give. And my back will break, my everything will break, and I will go breathless. I'll faint. Till I faint, I will still do the task.
That's
it's
you.
Like that, yeah.
So when we met, going back to 2014, was that a big moment? क्योंकि इंडिया को एक acceptance, first time एक Indian personality को वहाँ पे Congeniality Award, and what was it, the most popular award? What are these
Popular
awards?
Choice, Congeniality,
and one more, yeah.
Arts Challenge, which was for singing. I mean, like your performance.
You won all this.
Yeah, and sports, team sports.
Do you feel this has happened because you always envisioned being there?
Yeah.
कैसे हुआ वो?
I always envisioned. I said that, if I allow people to put me down, then I would never come up. It's very simple.
Yeah.
It's very profound when you hear it from somebody who's experienced it, because I didn't want a mediocre life.
Wow.
I didn't want I wanted to create a dent in the universe. And I think that if I can do it while I'm alive and rather than me dying and then after 10 years they'll be like, you know, removing a biopic on my name and stuff. No, I'd rather change people's lives while I'm here and while I'm
What were
alive.
those statements, Sushant? आज बताओ क्या थे वो statements? Thanks to them. I want to thank them today from my bottom of my heart. जिसकी वजह से आपने इतना कुछ कर लिया है.
I think when I was younger, like there were people who used to and we used to see in the films ना हमें दिखाया जाता था कि trans people can't do anything. Okay, so I used to be like, interesting. That means then if I'm going to school, so now I never identified as
A trans,
as a I did
Normal.
not identify with what they were showing
हाँ
in
हाँ
the films.
हाँ. उसमें तो वो उनको शॉर्ट स्कर्ट पहना के उनको बहुत वियर्ड से दिखाते थे.
हाँ, मतलब they used to just like
Things to use or make fun of.
हाँ, yeah, like
हाँ.
comic relief, ना, and also the fact that you know, we want to just pounce on every man in the room. That was also very weirdly shown. So now then, you know, men started being uncomfortable around us, and I used to just look at the men and I used to be like, look at yourself in the mirror also, na. You think I will pounce on you? Even if you paid me to pounce on you. Look at yourself. Be transphobic in हद में. अगर तुमको होना भी है, हद में हो ना. मैं अगर चलूंगी, तेरे को लगता है मैं तेरे पे लाइन मारूंगी. शक्ल देखी अपनी. मतलब औकात में रहो ना तुम भी. It's like, it's crazy as to how people will believe that means so then every woman should be scared of every man.
होना भी चाहिए भाई.
No, but I'm just saying that
But
means
ऐसा
that
नहीं है.
we can't have friends or what that are men.
Correct.
ये क्या पागलपंती है. And the thing is that then I realized that okay, so this is a narrative that they're trying to show again, because all these directors and producers who were making these films and making fun of trans people are still there. They've not come out and apologized, and I spit at them. They have no spine.
Nice.
And it's not like I have not come up. I've come up in the same city, in the same country, that you all have you know, promoted. Talent is what you in your opinion a talent, and you know, so I completely understand. आणि मी इकडचीच आहे. मी कुठे गेली नाही इकडून. You know, my thing is that I stayed here and I made a name for myself. So even though you made fun of my entire community and nobody took offense to it, today is not the day you do it, from my friend. Today you can't do it. और तू मेरे सामने ऐसे बैठ के अगर तुम लोग बोलने लगे, so my thing would be like 4 octave में गा के दिखा, 4 octave में गा के दिखा ना तू गा के दिखा, मैं कुछ भी दे दूंगी तेरे को, मैं मेरा घर तेरे नाम पे कर देगी, चल.
Wow.
So my thing is, जो लोग रियाज करते हैं, जो लोग मेहनत करते हैं, बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं ऐसे. मैं अकेली नहीं हूँ. I'm not saying that now, तो I'm not even बच्ची. You know what I'm saying? Trying to say is that so many people come with dreams into the city and you all trample on them and you think you're doing something great by caricaturing this person or this community. And so many people who do that are from the community also, by the way.
Yeah.
The people who are in power. And
Because they feel they're being one with the so-called majority.
And what majority are you? Do you sleep well at night? I know so many of you that don't.
Oh my God.
So it's really you're making a caricature of yourself, because you can never make a caricature of me, even if you try.
That was Bollywood for you, जिसका अभी ये बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा बनने जा रही हैं. लेकिन मैं बात कर रही हूँ about people जिन्होंने आपके शायद spirit को puncture किया होगा by what they said or how they made you feel.
But this is also, I would like to say that there were people even within the industry that even on set would say something nasty. And back then, and I was still working. I started working when I was 16.
Wow.
So it's now 17 years that I've been around. And so you can't say that, you know, like some people will be like, यार तुम vampire हो क्या, तुम मतलब ऐसे लगता नहीं है कि 16-17 साल हो गए तो. But I'm like, जाके देखो ना वो सारे shows जो हमने किए थे. That time I was like this. I showed you in other pictures. Like I was like that on set. And then they would say the nastiest things to me. Like for example, they'll be like, क्या है यार, किसको मतलब कैमरा के सामने लाके रख देते हैं और ये वो. And then I used to listen to this. But even back then, I think I had an all-girls team except the guy who was manning the camera and then the production assistant. One guy was there, and then they were saying something nasty and all that. Me and my makeup artist, we used to just be like, you know, talk to each other, so that she used to talk to me and I used to talk to her, and she was trans. And that time I was not, you know, I was not out as trans. Yeah. So for me, it was even more difficult that
Yeah.
they were saying stuff which was actually triggering for her also. You know, like अबे छक्की है, ये है, and this and that, ये छक्कों का ही है, ये this that, something they said, and I was like, but now I'm just like, if today तो they won't have, उनकी मजाल नहीं होगी अगर मैं बैठी हूँ, क्योंकि मैं अब एक तहजीब होती है, you know, when I go on set also, I'm like, तुम इधर काम करने आए हो, इधर हगो मत.
So well said.
You have not come here to be my friend.
Correct.
ये तुम्हारा काम है, काम करके निकल. मैं ये इंटरव्यू देके निकलने वाली हूँ. मैं तेरे गोद में बैठने नहीं आई इधर, समझा ना? तेरी औकात भी नहीं है बिठाने के लिए.
सही में.
ये first you think of that, and then we will start a conversation, which I don't want to start with you.
Correct.
There is a reason who I am talking to is you, because I know for a fact that you are on the mind. You have that level of understanding me. If I had to sit and chat with everybody in this building, I know there will be a different method I will go and
Correct.
approach them. Not this. You won't understand this, which is fine. But तुम्हें सब कुछ समझने की जरूरत. सबसे ज्ञानी इंसान भी ना इस दुनिया में सब कुछ नहीं समझ सकता.
Beautifully said.